If you've been looking for a cleaner, more modern way to browse in Firefox, vertical tabs and the new sidebar can make a huge difference. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn them on in just a few seconds, so you can organize your tabs better, save space across the top of your browser, and make navigation feel a lot easier. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox and make sure you're on a normal browsing window where your tabs are visible at the top. What we want to do is find the tab strip, which is the area where all of your open tabs are sitting right now. Once you see that section, right-click on any empty space in the current tab strip. Just make sure you click on a blank area and not directly on a tab, because we want the tab bar options to appear. After you right-click, a menu will pop up. In that menu, look for the option that says Turn on Vertical Tabs. This is the setting that changes your tabs from the traditional top layout into a vertical sidebar layout. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you select it, Firefox will immediately switch your tabs to the side of the window. You'll notice the new sidebar area appear, and your open tabs will now be stacked vertically, instead of being spread across the top. This layout can be especially useful if you keep a lot of tabs open, because it makes them easier to scan and manage. From here, you can start using Firefox's vertical tabs and sidebar just like normal. You can click any tab to switch to it, keep related pages grouped in a more compact way, and enjoy a less crowded top bar. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference in your daily browsing workflow. If you ever want to go back, you can usually right-click in the same area again and switch the layout back to the regular tab style. But for now, that's all there is to it. Just right-click the tab strip and choose Turn on Vertical Tabs. If this video helped you out, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps a lot, and it also tells me to make more Firefox tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.